Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video we are going to be going where, Chad? Well, because it's bonfire night today, we're going to be going to bonfire night. We're going to be seeing loads of fireworks. I might bring my scooter, maybe. Because if we get there early now, I can do some quick flat tricks. So yeah. My camera's a whole lot better because it's an iPhone 4S. So we are going to be going to a bonfire night. Gonna have loads of fun, see all the fireworks, and so yeah. Please comment down below if you're going. Well, by the time this video is up, you won't be able to go. So, yeah. So yeah. Gonna be going there, we're gonna have some fun. Like I said, I might bring my scooter if we get there early, because there might be like some flat curves and jumps and stuff. So yeah, stay tuned for that. And I'll see you tonight. Peace. Yo guys, I'm back. We are about to get in the car on the way to bonfire night. As you can see, it's getting dark. It's about to start, so we're gonna film the journey and all that stuff. Yeah, so we saw the firework. So yeah, me and my brother will be filming the journey. So yeah, see you when in there. Yo, it's a shoot. Hope you enjoy. See, they're all shooting down there. I think there's gonna be. Oh, what's this?
Oh, it's another big one. It comes back to us.
Yo!
When it gives up, it flashes.
Yo. Yo, 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 yo. Yo.
I love the sound when it just comes up like they're shooting there. No, no, no. No, no, dude. That bit. Come on. Everything's dead.
Oh,
went where you?
Look, no, shit, look. See?
No, I'm alright. I'm alright.
Go on, I tell you.
Yeah.
You still recording?
No.
Listen.
Yo guys, I hope you had fun watching all them clips and all that stuff. The fireworks have ended now. There's these couple of massive ones, so you guys might like that. So yeah, me and my brother are just walking now. We're getting a burger at the moment. Well, our mum's getting it for us.
No, they had no burgers left.
Seriously?
Yeah. So we're getting something later.
Alright, so we might get like a Mackie D's. A McDonald's. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. And yeah, I'll put my brother's link in the description to his channel. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.